Hello, welcome to another Tip Tuesday. Hope you all are having a great day. My name is Mike Latze. Today I've got a quick one here for you on flowchart editing. We've had a few questions here recently on a couple items related to flowcharts. Just want to kind of highlight some of these and kind of show you what's possible. First off is if you're placing objects on your flowchart and you wanted to have maybe some rotated text. Of course, with our objects, each of these have a little kind of a dial here where you can grab those and pull those objects in any direction you want. But if we just want to have some text, you've noticed maybe that we have these text blocks here that don't have that similar control. What we actually have to do here is grab that diagram block, and you'll see it starts off with a border. It does have our dial here, but what I like to do is I'll edit text and just kind of, you can put anything in here, and then in order to kind of hide that border, we're going to right click and say we're going to edit the line color here. And I typically make that the same color as our background, so you see that just kind of disappears. And then you might size this appropriately, and then you just want to grab that dial and kind of turn it how you want it. And there's our rotated text, so you can place that object anywhere on your flowchart, wherever it's appropriate. You do see that it does overlap some of your connectors, any of your objects, so just be aware of the other item that came up is how do we align our objects on our flowchart. So if I'm placing my objects, my connectors, and I'm not quite sure that they're aligned appropriately. The idea is you're going to grab the first object here that you grab is the one that you want to kind of take the position of all the other objects. So like if I want all my objects aligned vertically with this object, I want to grab that first, and I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to click my other objects here. And then up above we have these alignment tools. So you can align left, right edges, the horizontal centers. So I'm just going to hit the horizontal centers here, and you'll see that aligns all three of those objects. The other tools are for sizing. So if I get some in here that are all kind of different sizes, I want to make them all the same. Again, the idea is you want to grab the one that you want all objects to kind of inherit first, hold shift, select the objects, and then we have some size tools here as well. So make same width, make same height, make the same size. So I'm going to say make the same size. And you see now all three objects match that first one there. So I hope that found that helpful. There's lots of tools here in the flowchart editor. Definitely always helpful to go in and kind of play around with it. The other piece here is auto creating the flowchart objects. So if you start off with a blank flowchart, it might be helpful to take all of your event types, your tracking statuses, and kind of just drop all those objects onto the flowchart to get started. So you can select whether it's tracking, event types, or both. And I'm just going to hit both and auto create. And this just confirms the auto creation, and I say yes. And now I have all my objects on my flowchart, and I'm ready to kind of start positioning them and connecting them together. Thanks. Have a great day.